Okay, so today I'm taking apart my iMac and I'm replacing this cord right here. Unfortunately, it lies deep within the heart of the iMac and I'm going to have to take nearly every part out. So I'm going to try and do it as quickly as I can, but there's a lot of really tiny parts and I don't want to break anything. So anyway, the reason why I'm replacing this is because my iMac has an issue where it's shutting down. It'll just shut off while I'm working on it. And I've talked to some Apple repair technicians and they suggest replacing this. From what I've read online, this is the first thing you replace if you're an Apple technician before you go for the power supply or the motherboard. This is also the cheapest. This was only 30 bucks. Came in a nice box with this padding. I thought it was cool. I got it from applecomponents.com. And I was pretty impressed with their service, especially with the packaging, and the price was good. It was the best price I found. So like I said, 30 bucks, and let's get started. halfway there almost. Almost got the all the pieces out. As you can tell, it's very empty now, so just gonna try and keep pushing. All that for this little cord. Whew! It's taken me about an hour and a half. I mean, I've never done it before, but that's a lot of work. So I'm going to throw the new part in and see how much I can film of the reassembly, but I'm going to run out of room, so. So that was my iMac disassembly. Sorry I didn't get to record the reassembly, but I didn't have enough film to do it, and I actually made a mistake. I missed the microphone cord being under the logic board when I put everything back together and went to film this outro and realized my microphone doesn't work. So I had to take it back apart and, you know, replug in the microphone cord, but everything works great. And, you know, by doing this I was able to save myself quite a bit of money. And it seems like the issue's fixed. I'll have to see. But before, a lot of times my power button wouldn't even work, and now it's working, so hopefully it's fixed. And I'll probably do a more detailed explanation over at painteddigital.com, so you can check there, and feel free to leave comments or questions. Thanks for watching.